To get started with Skeleton, visit getskeleton.com. This page provides you with an introduction, a usage documentation, and examples. As you can see, it's small enough to stick on a single landing page. Now to download Skeleton, click on the download button at the top right here. In the zip, all we have is an index.html file, a CSS folder, and an images folder. Yes, it really is that simple. Now I'm going to extract these three files in folders to a folder on my desktop, though you don't have to perform this step. I've opened up this folder in my code editor, which is Visual Studio Code. Now inside of the CSS folder, we have a skeleton.css. Now this is the core of the skeleton boilerplate. There's also a copy of normalize.css. This provides better cross-browser consistency, though it's not up to date with the latest version, so we won't be using this particular copy. Now, if we open up index.html, we'll see that it's a standard index page with both skeleton.css and normalize right here that is included. Now, if we open up skeleton CSS again, we'll see that the earlier claim that it's only around 400 lines of code holds true. The table of contents outlines everything in a nice and easy to understand format should you want to examine or modify any rule sets. Now you could take this index.html file and begin to create your prototype or your simple project right off the bat. That's all there is to it. But regardless of the size and scope of a given project, I always prefer to work with a JavaScript task runner such as Gulp, which will at the very least allow me to integrate live browser reloading as I code, which makes life a little bit easier when developing a prototype or layout. So in the next video, we're going to get started by creating a really quick development environment with the Gulp task runner.